What's your name?
Name girl.
Tell me your name.
Name girl.
What's your name?
Name girl.
Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are just joining us now. Thank you so much. There's two reasons why I'm doing this, why I'm shooting this video. One is for accountability, because I've been trying to grow my hair for the past 3 months, but whenever my hair gets to this length, I cut it because one, I get bored with the length. Two, I don't know how to style this short hair. And another reason is that I'm trying out the clove water that apparently helps grow hair, that you can see the result within maybe a month. But I really want to grow out my hair. I miss my afro, guys. I miss it so much. So before we begin, please, I hope you like, comment and subscribe. Hit that red button, please.